welcome and welcome back. Yes, honey, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl, 𝓁𝐸𝓧𝒻𝑒, and it is a pleasure to have you here with me today. Today, I would love to be sharing with you some more awesome ideas to help bring you some money for the holiday season. So if you would like to learn more, then you already know what to do. Go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And let's get into it, boo. Did you know that people around the world are literally making hundreds and thousands of dollars just by selling really cool and unique items on the internet? And when I say this, I mean there's so many ways now that you guys can make money, and I'm here to share as many ways possible as I can with you guys, because I want us all to get in one way or the other, right? Okay, we're not getting left behind, that's for sure. Today I want to share with you guys the business model of making mugs and making cups and making tumblers. Yes, honey, cups are trending everywhere nowadays. If you look online, everybody has a cute little mug, everybody has a cute little cup, no matter whether it's just a single picture or whether it's a whole family photo full of people. Mugs and cups are taking over, and if you're anything like me, then you welcome a good cup. Okay, like who doesn't love a cute cup, right? Like girls, I don't know, it's a weird thing that we like, but yeah, I'm sure guys like it too. So of course, kings, don't let me discredit you, boo, because I'm sure you might like a nice little coffee mug as well. All right, so with that being said, why not venture off into the business of designing and creating and making your own coffee mugs, cups, or tumblers? The tumbler market is one of the markets that you can get into, and you don't have to worry about anything declining, or you don't have to worry about it. It's kind of recession proof, if you want to call it. It's a great idea, and it's a great opportunity for you guys to jump on board right now. Did you know that this particular business model alone is expected to grow over 9% higher than the average it is now? There's so many different themes, there's so many different ways, there's so many different creative ideas, there's just so many possibilities when it comes to the creativity of how you want to model your cup business around. You can make it exclusive, and you can make it luxury, or you can just make it a normal simple cup. So exactly how do you start this business model? Well, of course, let's start with some of the things that you're going to need in order to get started. First things first, you're going to need tumblers. Yes, you're going to need tumblers, or you're going to need mugs, or you're going to need cups, whichever one you're choosing to, venture off into. If you want to do all three, you want to do more, by all means, sweetheart, do what's best for you, okay? Right now, today, I'm only focusing on tumblers. So yes, have a little budget set aside, because some of these things can be a little bit expensive. So I recommend doing something like $100, maybe $300, put that to the side, so that way you can get all of the inventory and all of the things that you need to get started and to get started properly, okay? Depending on how you want to go about doing it. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 ways so that you can have an idea of which way would be best for you. Of course, there's other ways as well. However, I'm only going over 2 ways, okay? So what else will you need? You're also going to need vinyl. This will need to be self-adhesive vinyl, or it can be water slide vinyl. You'll need epoxy if that's the way you're going to go with. You're going to need glitter. You're going to need glue. You're going to need resin, and you're going to need shipping supplies. And again, that list is not inclusive of everything that you need. This is just the general basics, or the general outline of how you can get started. I have this water slide paper that I'll be sharing with you guys, and I'll be sure to drop all of the details down below so that you can check it out and you can purchase them yourself. You can even give it a try at home just to see if this is something you want to venture off into before you decide to make it a full-time, thing. Once you figure out the products that you're going to offer, let's sit down, let's create a business plan. Simple business plan, thinking about who you're going to sell to, what are you going to sell them, and how are you going to sell it. Pretty much what you're doing is thinking about if you're going to scale it down, and you're going to work on one particular niche. Like, for example, you can do it specifically for pet owners, or you can do it specifically for football teams, basketball teams, what have you. It's totally up to you. The sky's the limit, and you can create endless opportunities with this, because there's a holiday almost every month, right? So you can take advantage. Of course, the next thing to do is to create you a website, or create you a platform that's going to allow you to sell the merchandise. How are you going to get it out there? How are you going to tell the world what it is? And of course, you already know, you can check out the link below. So let's just say you don't want to create a website. Listen, go over to Etsy, create you a shop. Yes, honey, create you a shop on Etsy and get started, boo, okay? Again, just simply fill out all your information and upload your products and get to rolling. And when I tell you that's one of the better platforms to be on, that's what I mean. For example, let's take this shop. This shop here sells these custom dog tumblers, pretty much like the one that I have here. I don't know exactly which way they're going with it, but hey, either way, let's just take this for an example. So they're selling their tumbler at $29.99. They have a couple of different options and whatnot, and it looks like the product is also in high demand. 4 people purchased this product within the last 24 hours. Let's just say, for example, okay, because you know, we got to play with the numbers here. This one is not my shop, so I'm not claiming anything here, but I'm just showing you how you can do it, okay? So we're going to say $29.99 times 4, right? That's $119.66. Again, the shop runs 24 hours. This person could get even more sales within the next hour or two, okay? But for right now, we're going to stick with the 4, right? Okay, so we're going to say we get 4 sales every day for the rest of this week. Times 7. That's $839.72, right? Okay, yeah, like it's not a full 1,000, but it's pretty close to $1,000. And again, like I said, that's not taking into the account that some days are going to offer more than others. So you got to keep that in mind. It could easily be $1,000 a week business. So yeah, definitely take it into consideration. It's a real low-cost business opportunity for you guys to get into, and not only that, it's an easy setup and it's an easy start, and there's multiple ways to do this. If you don't know exactly how the drop shipping model works, click down below. I have a link available so that you can get a copy of how drop shipping works. So yeah, I mean, what do you think? Do you think this is a good idea? Is this something you would like to venture off into? Would you like to be a mug or a tumbler creator? I think they're really cute, and I think it's a really good idea for anyone. I love to buy cups, okay? Like, I love them, okay? I did learn how to do this one on my own for the sake of this video. However, I prefer to just purchase them because I love to see all of the creative ways that people come up with and able to express themselves through their creativity, and it just warms my heart. But anyway, enough of that. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video with somebody who you think could use this, and keep your notification bells on because the giveaway is coming up soon, so that way you'll be notified if it's you, boo. All right, thank you guys. I love you, and I will see you back soon. Bye, love.